Are you looking to navigate the intricate challenges of scaling up your battery manufacturing process? At Matcon, we understand the pivotal role that powder quality plays in the core components of batteries, be it the anode or the cathode. Our name resonates with reliability and powder handling for a range of sectors. But when it comes to battery manufacturing, Matcon stands as your steadfast ally, particularly in processing and handling powders crucial for cathode and anode active material production. The Battery Cells and Systems Expo is a stage for real talk about scaling up and the art of flow control in powder handling that powers advancement. And for those of you at the precipice of greatness in battery innovation, from academia's latest breakthroughs to the practicality of gigafactory manufacturing, we have one consistent assurance. Matcon is here to help you along the path for your growth story. So join us. Bring your challenges, lead with solutions. Visit us at stand 809 near Theatre A. Your powder handling success story begins with a conversation.